Hi guys, Jackie from the BUILDERALL team. In this session, we are going to create a small store inside Cheetah, and we're going to use the PayPal card system. The very first thing you'll need to do is to build your website. Think about the categories that you are going to have in your website and create different pages for them. In this example, I'll just have baby clothes as one page just to show you exactly how this works. So this is the home page. You will see I've got a menu at the top. Now obviously everybody's menus and things is going to look different. This is just for example purpose. As you can see, I've got baby clothes, hats. There could be different kinds of categories. And then I scroll down and I've got new arrivals on the front page. And then we're going to add 3 buttons right here that you would be able to buy these different products. And then on the second page, we got another product for a baby print outfit and some shoes. So I'm sure you're going to understand exactly what I'm getting at when we look at it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to PayPal. Once you've logged into your PayPal account, you will see at the top is a menu bar. Go straight until you get to Tools. You're going to go straight down and then click on All Tools. It's going to open up several options for you. Scroll until you get to PayPal buttons and click Open. Now you've got a choice of a variety of buttons, but you can see the one that says Add to Cart. That is the one that we want to work with. So I'm going to click on Add to Cart. Alright, now we need to populate this area. So we are working with a shopping cart, not with a buy now. You can change and choose, but I'm just going to say shopping cart. And then we need to give our items names. So let's go back. And I am just going to call it item 1, 2, and 3, just so that we can see exactly how it works. I'm going to start typing in item 1. And you can have an item ID, that's totally optional. We're going to add a price. It's going to be in US dollars. Then we've got a drop-down menu with a price option. Now obviously this is going to come in different sizes. So I am just going to have sizes. Option 1, 2, and 3. Let's say this one is going to be 6 months, 12 months, and let's make that one 24 months. And I'm making a different prices so you can see. In this option, we're not going to have different colors. It's just going to be like that, and we're going to click Done. And then you can also customize the way this card looks like, especially if you are concerned about branding, but I'm okay with this. Otherwise, you will go to Custom Text and Appearance. Then if you want to charge shipping, this is the area you need to add it to. Same with tax. And which one of the merchant IDs do you want to use? Then a very important step, if you are maybe got or importing a lot of products, let's say you've got 100 of a specific item, and you are afraid that you might run out of stock and you're not going to be aware of it, you can set the limits in this area here. So let's say you've got 100 of a specific product and 101 client come to your site. It's not going to allow them to buy the product because you have set the inventory here. So that is a very good thing if you would like to track your inventory. And there's some optional advanced settings you can also look at. And now we're going to create the button. You will see some code. You're going to select the code, copy the code, go back to your website. On the right hand side, you're going to go look for the iframe. You're going to drag and drop the iframe. Right click. Go to General Settings and Embed Document and apply. As you can see, there is your first PayPal card button. Let's add the other 2 quickly. I'm just going to go back in this section. And I'm going to call it item 2. And we're going to keep that at the same, but we're going to add an additional one. So let's say we've got different colors now. And I'm just going to call it colors. and I'm going to say blue, orange, yellow, whatever it might be, and click done. I'm not going to fill in any of those things. I'm just going to click change as saved. Select the code, copy the code, go back to your site, add the iframe, right click, embed the document, and apply. Now you can see we've got two options. We've got sizes and we've got colors. And that is exactly the same thing that you're going to do for all your different kinds of products. And then you hit save. And now I'm going to go to the next page because I want to show you how it works. I'm going to go back to generate code. Just going to go back again and change it slightly. Let's call this item 3. And let's just edit the prices here. And we can leave it at that. We can change that one. And we can add some colors. Something like that. Save the changes. Select the code. Copy. Go back to the site. Grab your iframe. Right click. General settings. Embed the document and apply. And you'll see there it sits nicely. And that's how you do it for all your products, and each and every single page, doesn't matter how many categories you've got, that is how you do that. And you're going to hit save. That's fine. Now let's go back to the front page. Now if you've created a global header, you would go change this in your global header, but I'm just going to add it here so that you can understand how it works. We now need to create a cart where people actually can go to the checkout. So you're going to go back to PayPal. If you scroll down, you would see there's a section that says create a view cart button. And again, this can be changed according to your branding colors, but I'm just going to leave it as a PayPal button and say create button. We're going to select the code, copy, go back to your Cheetah. I'm going to go grab that iframe again. You're going to right click, general settings, embed the document and click apply. As you can see, there is your button now. Now we need to go add it. If that happens, you just click apply and it will show up again. So there's your button on that side. You're going to click save. Now obviously if you have added this button in your global settings for your header, then it will show on all the pages. It is very, very important to make sure that this card, the view card button, is available on every single page where there is a product, because you want your visitor to have easy access if he wants to check out. So we're going to apply the same button now to the other page, because we haven't done that yet. Right click, embed document and apply. And put it in the right place. Apply and hit save. Alright, so this is the home page. I'm not sure if I have already linked my menu, so let me just click and see if that is linked to the other page. Oops, I'm going too fast. So clothing range, I want it to be linked to that page. Baby clothes, it looks like it is linked. And all is working well. Now what we're going to do is we are going to see exactly how this works. We're going to go out of the site. And we are right there, and we're going to view, go to website page. And we're going to pretend that we are shopping. And we're going to say, I would like to purchase the 12-month one. Add to cart. And you can see there's your product, but you are not done shopping. You decided you want to buy more. You're going to click continue shopping. And you're going to see this adorable outfit here. And you're going to choose, okay, I want the 24 months for my sister, but I want it to be orange. And I'm going to add to cart. And you will see there's your product, item number 2. But you're still not done. You're going to click continue, because this was just the new arrivals. You want to see what else they've got in stock. So you're going to go and click baby clothes. I'm sure I did save it there. I probably did not. There we go. We're going to go down. We're going to say, okay, I want that one. And I want it in blue and pink. And I'll click add. So now you're going to see all your products is nicely all together, all three of the products that you wanted. Now you can go check out with PayPal, or you can even continue with shopping. You can even decide, but I don't want this product, and just click remove. And then check it out with PayPal. And that's what we've got in this session. And I hope that you enjoyed it, and we will see you in another. Bye for now.